Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video we are going to learn how we can redeem our eBay gift card whilst trying to shop or trying to add products to the cart. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So in order to redeem our eBay gift card, the process is actually a little bit different. So what we want to do is we want to simply open our browser and head over to ebay.com. Once you go to ebay.com, I assume that you are logged into your account, because if you are not logged into your account, then you will not be able to redeem the gift card or the gift code which you have saved for your eBay account. So once we are logged in, you can see this is how the home interface of the application or the website looks like. So in order to redeem our eBay gift card or gift code, you will not find any option at the top of the screen or in settings or under your account page and so on. In order to redeem our eBay code, what we want to do is first of all go ahead and try to shop any products right over here. Let's say you can also add this to cart, but I'm going to simply tap on the buy it now button right over here. Once I tap on the buy it now button, what you want to do is here you can see we have been taken to the checkout page where it says to enter our new card, our PayPal information or PayPal credit or Google Pay and so on. Here you'll be able to change the address, and here you'll be able to review the items. Now what we want to do is you want to scroll down, and here you'll be able to find an option called gift card, coupons and eBay bucks. So this is where we want to enter the gift card code which we have received. So go ahead and enter the code right over here. Once you enter your code, you want to make sure you have typed in everything correctly, because even if there is a singular mistake, your code will not be redeemed. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and tap on apply. Once you tap on apply, you have successfully redeemed the discount code, or depending on what kind of coupon code had to offer to you. So in this way, you can really easily redeem your gift card or your coupon code on your eBay account. We hope that this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions or queries regarding this, then also make sure to leave them down under the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.